Look at 3.9 is that we get to compose decimals with base 10 blocks. As we spoke about yesterday, the reason why we want to talk about decimals, a big deal is counting money and getting change. Another reason is we're looking at this decimals and fractions relationships. As we spoke about yesterday, there's two ways to look at these decimals to start with because we are looking at two different place values. The first place value is the place value immediately to the right of the decimal place. It's called the tenths place, okay? Tenth place. You can think of it that way because the whole isn't cut into 10 pieces as this block is cut into 10 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you see 2 of the tenths, 2 tenths equals 2 of these 10 pieces, and the fraction is 2 tenths. The other place value we're going to be looking at is hundredths. So as we said, the very first place value to the right of the decimal is tenths. The second place value, as you might have predicted, is called the hundredths. So when we're talking about the hundredths place, we're dividing our whole into 100 different pieces. So we've started with 10 pieces. We need to break this into 10 more pieces. 10 times 10 is 100. You'll be looking at blocks like this. Pardon my not getting it all the way at the end. But when you see 2 tenths is also the same as when you see this point, 0.02 is the same as saying 0.020, which is 20 hundredths. 0.02, as we found out, was coloring in this. It's also coloring in 20 of the hundredths, but since we have 20 hundredths, 20 hundredths and 3 hundredths, we have to color in 3 more, and your decimal is going to look like this. So that 23 of the hundredths are colored. Your fraction, since we said 23 hundredths, will look like this. You're going to work on Math Journal page 91 and Khan Academy fractions and decimals today.